Oh my gosh, she's holding the baby.
Oh, look at her.
Oh, look at her. Oh. Oh, wow. So sweet.
I wonder how much she weighs. I'm just curious.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Hi, sweetie.
She's beautiful, Mama. I'll let somebody else get in. I don't know. Go on, you can go in.
Thank you.
Out, that's all.
Oh my gosh, look at the baby. Oh my gosh.
And let's she gave birth here.
Not here.
Yeah. Oh, look at that thing.
Well, that wouldn't have been their first word. And they were teaching her about her personality.
Oh, this is Lily. I know it was the other thing.
So this is also one of the daughters. This is Lily. And then the newborn baby is Grace. And she just turned 2 weeks today.
Daughter? The daughter of this infatuated.
Oh,
Right there. Look at this.
oh my gosh. Oh. So cute. That's the big sister who's just fascinated watching the baby.
Oh, she's even taking
That was the cutest thing I've ever seen here. Oh my gosh. And I love seeing the baby tigers too.
Yep.
That was so precious. But oh my gosh, just the way that like the mom was holding the little baby. They said she's only 4 pounds right now. And her name's Grace. It is a little girl. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
That was the cutest thing. And the fact that then the like big sisters were watching and they heard the cast member saying that the big sisters are just like fascinated watching the mom with the baby. That just warmed my heart. I loved it.
Just like human nature.
Yes, I could have just stood there just staring at them. It was so precious. So that is so worth it if you are going to be here anytime in the near future. It's May 15th right now, and this was her 2-week birthday, 14
yep,
days
14 days
today. So precious.